G'day everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a little bit different to the type of content that we usually put out on the channel. Traditionally, we like to take a common musculoskeletal ache or pain or an injury or a dysfunction that a lot of people deal with, sort of tease that apart and sort of discuss some of the hidden features surrounding the cause of those issues, and also follow that up with a lot of hopefully helpful and ultimately actionable exercises and ideas to help you address the necessary components of that dysfunction so that you can get to where you need to be. I find clinically that there's a whole bunch of sort of narrow perspective focusing on, I guess, the area that hurts, and we often miss the bigger picture or that broader perspective that ultimately we need to consider if we're going to solve those issues long term. So in today's video, I want to depart a little bit from that and I guess communicate with you guys more directly, because today's video is all about asking you guys what's going on. Now, I think the video itself, the Your Wellness Nerd channel, is still in its infancy in the sense that we've only been going for sort of 6 to 8 months, but we're growing rapidly, which is fantastic. I think the type of content that we're putting out is really resonating with a lot of people, and I get comments every day and emails and communication every day of people that's hopefully finding that missing piece of their puzzle that they, despite having seen a range of people in the industry, whether it's other physical therapists, chiropractors, doctors, specialists, they still haven't necessarily hit the nail on the head in terms of the things that they need to do to feel better. And I'm really grateful to hear that there's a lot of people finding those nuggets of information through the videos that we're putting out. And I think what I want to do with this video is I want to use this video as a way for you guys to communicate directly with me about your aches and pains. If you have any issues at the moment, or if there's any information that you want to know about your body or about your injury, this is the video that I want you guys to turn to put that out there so that I can see that. So my aim with this video is I'm going to pin this video to the top of the channel so that if you are if you're someone who's new to the channel or someone who's subscribed and has been around the channel for a while, this video will be at the top of the page, hopefully forever, or at least for a very long time, so that I can start to hear what you guys are dealing with and then hopefully pull from those ideas. If not communicate with you directly via the comments, but also create video content around those ideas so that it can help you and likely tens of thousands of other people dealing with similar issues. So basically what I would love for you guys to do based on this idea is 3 basic things. So the first thing that I ask that you guys do is that as you're listening to me talk at the moment, please scroll down the page until you reach the comment section. And if you'd be so kind, please let me know what you're dealing with. If you have a name for that condition, let me know. If you're not sure what it is, let me know. If it's a couple of words, just so I know what you're dealing with, or something more resembling an essay, if you feel you need that information to get across to me. I want to know what you guys are dealing with so I can make these videos more compelling and more sort of rich and more applicable to what you guys are dealing with day to day. What I also ask is, while you're down there, is please hunt around the rest of the comments for things that you also want to hear about. Now, if you're someone who's dealing with a persistent hip issue or maybe some back pain, but then you see that there's a comment of someone saying that they're dealing with headaches and they can't get rid of those headaches, and you sort of see yourself a little bit in that comment, leave a like on that comment or another comment on that comment so that I can start to see what's really important to you guys. And I know it's not just one thing, it can be a bunch of things at the same time. I know that this, because the channel is still in its infancy, we might find it'll take a while to accrue a bunch of comments on the video, but as the days, the weeks, the months, and the years roll on, I want to make sure that as new people come to see this video and venture down to the comments, that they have something to look at as well. And it starts with the first comment, so whoever leaves the first comments, I'll let you know how much I appreciate it straight away. But then once you've done that, the second thing that I would ask you to do is that as you're scrolling back up again to this video, please stop at the like button and the subscribe buttons, and please give us a like and a subscription if you are someone who's interested in this sort of content and helping support the channel as we grow. The way that YouTube works, and I guess a lot of people tend to know this, but the more likes a video receives and the more subscriptions that a channel has, and comments sort of falls into this as well, which is a positive side benefit of you guys commenting, is that the more interaction a video gets, the more likely that video is to appear on other people's feeds and to be recommended to other people going forwards. And as I always say on this channel, that the ultimate goal of the channel is to help as many people as possible to the best of my ability. And I feel like I've got a really unique set of skills and a really unique perspective that gives me the capacity to do that. And ultimately with the channel, I would love for this channel, which is sort of on the cusp of 1,000 subscribers, and I appreciate you guys a lot for subscribing. And 1,000 subscribers isn't a big number in the grand scheme of things, but I have big plans and big dreams to grow this channel into the hundreds of thousands, if not more, depending on the potential of what I can get across. And the more help that you guys can give me along the way, the more I'm able to sort of realize that goal and sort of get this information out to as many people as humanly possible. So if you can leave that comment, let me know what's going on so I can reciprocate and help. And then also support us by leaving a like and consider subscribing if you're new, just to help these videos get out to more people. That leads us to the third thing that I would hope that you guys can do as well, is that, as I said, because I want these videos to help as many people as possible, please consider sharing this video to someone who might be struggling with something. Now, obviously there's a back catalogue of videos and a catalogue that will be continued to add to this channel as we go, that hopefully you guys and anyone else who comes to the channel will find something really useful and helpful. But if you have a loved one, if you have a close friend or another relative or a co-worker or someone that you know that is dealing with an issue, please consider sending this video to them. And generally it's just as simple as coming below the video, clicking the share button, and then a bunch of icons will pop up where you can share it to them via text, via email, you can do it to social media. You can just copy the link and paste it wherever you see fit. And as I said, this is the video that I hope that people get to see the most, brings everyone to the channel, and we can start this conversation about how to get you guys to solve those issues that you guys might be struggling with. So any help that you guys can give to help this grow would be much appreciated. And as I said, I want to make sure that I'm valuable to you guys and I can help answer those questions as well. So ultimately, if you're in pain or you're struggling with something, or you just want to feel better, move better, be stronger, let me know in the comments below, because I want to make sure that I can help you guys going forward. So with that being said, I appreciate everyone who is sort of joining me on this journey as we go. Hopefully it's destined for big things, but obviously I can't get there without you guys. So any additional help would be much appreciated. And I plan on posting another video relatively shortly, just to sort of make up for the cadence, that weekly cadence that we seem to have at the moment, just so that you guys are still getting that benefit as we go. So until then, thanks for watching, and I'll see you soon.